So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to hide sales on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you'll have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, the first thing you are going to do is log into your account, and then you guys will have to click on this option right here called Shop Manager. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will have to choose this option right here called Settings, and then choose this option right here called Options. So guys, after coming on this page, you guys will have to scroll down to the last, and then you guys can see this section right here called Sold Listings, and you have to just click on this option called No Hide Them. And after clicking on that, you guys will have to click on this button right here called Save. So guys, after that, now your sales are hidden to the customers. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.